A tribe of like-minded individuals who support and motivate each other. That's where you come in. You're not just selling gym memberships, you're creating a fitness community. You're offering group classes, personal training sessions, nutrition counseling, and a whole lot of encouragement along the way. Let's talk fashion, baby. Clothing boutiques are all about expressing your unique style, finding those hidden gems that make you stand out from the crowd. They're curated shopping experiences that offer a carefully selected collection of clothing, accessories, and footwear that you won't find just anywhere. Now, you might think the fashion industry is tough to break into. But here's the thing, people are tired of mass-produced, cookie-cutter clothing. They want unique pieces that reflect their individual style, and they're willing to pay a premium for it. That's where you come in. You're the tastemaker, the trendsetter, the one who knows what's hot and what's not. Let's get crafty. Craft and hobby stores are more than just places to buy supplies. They're creative havens where imaginations run wild. They're about tapping into that primal need to create, to express ourselves through our hands, and to make something beautiful and unique.